Okay, good morning guys. It's cooking time again. And now today we're gonna cook. I'm going to cook bacon patula soup. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, patula, water, cubes, butter, garlic, onions, the sotanghon, and then the bacon, guys. Okay. Okay. Okay, put the garlic. And then the onions. And then guys, add the bacon. Okay. I'm gonna leave. Okay. Sauce. First. Oh. Then water, guys, and then we're gonna let it boil for how many minutes? I'm gonna cover it for how many minutes until the water boil. Okay, guys, it's already boiled, guys. The sotanghon. We don't need salt. We need. Okay, so we're gonna cover first for 2 minutes and then we'll be right back, guys. So the sotanghon is cooked already. So, but I'm gonna taste first if we don't need salt. Okay, look at that one, oh, the sotanghon. Okay, that's enough. And then again for 2 minutes and we'll be right back. And it's done. Okay, so this is our bacon patola soup is done. So let's taste it. It's good. Green onions. Guys, so I'm gonna off the heat. Okay. Okay guys, so it's done. So it's tasting time. So I'm gonna garnish it also here. And then with bacon also. Okay guys, so it's tasting time. It's super yummy, guys. The patula is not overcooked or cut. It's very yummy. The patula is very good because it's not overcooked. And the soup, it's very good, guys. It's super yummy, guys. Okay, guys, so that's our bacon patula soup is done. So, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye-bye.